Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients for a classic hot buffalo sauce. 1/2 cup hot sauce, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Include 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne for heat control. Use a medium bowl and a whisk so you can emulsify the sauce properly. Measure precisely. The 1/2 cup butter balances the heat, and 1 tablespoon vinegar brightens flavor. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon honey for slight sweetness, and to make the sauce, melt 1/2 cup unsalted butter in a small saucepan over low heat until it is just simmering, about 2 minutes. Remove from heat and whisk in 1/2 cup hot sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. Whisk vigorously until glossy and emulsified, about 30 seconds. Taste and adjust. Add 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness or 1/8 teaspoon salt if needed. For wings, toss 1 pound cooked wings with sauce and serve immediately. Store leftover buffalo sauce in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Warm gently before using. To reheat, microwave 15-20 seconds and whisk or simmer on low for 30 seconds to recombine. Freeze in portioned 1/2 cup containers for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in fridge. To vary heat, reduce cayenne to 1/8 teaspoon or increase to 1/2 teaspoon for extra spice. Serve with celery and carrot sticks, ranch or blue cheese dressing, and 3. 5-inch wings for small servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.